This is the fella that knows all about football, huh? Let's go, Boston. What's up, P?
What's up, man?
I pumped that up just for you. Feel it? Good job. Is there any cocodrilos out there? Alright, which trail are we going to take? Let Paul pick. He's the expert out here. He's slow grown. Well, you see how everybody putting stickers on their cars lately with flow grown? Is Newton going to win today? What? Oh, you want him to lose. You want Arizona, New England. You want to start with we can do the blue trail or the orange? Alright. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Be the first one on the right. Let's go, Mosa! There's got to be a gator out there somewhere. No. If I took his big quad out yesterday.
Yeah. What?
She forgot something. Yavis. No, Isn't this dope? This is the Ploggins family. What's up, Alex? Huh?
Berries.
Do you ever eat the berries when they turn blue? Those ones?
Do they?
Yeah, they turn blue. They're really good. They're Florida natives, like the old Indians in Florida, used to eat those for really high in antioxidants.
Can you eat those?
Not right now. When they turn like a purplish blue or whatever color that is.
But there's some,
Where's this pointing? Is it pointing straight out?
yeah.
Okay. Remember that video I took
Yeah,
for the
where
quads?
it's
It was
up
too
and
far down, so it's not too far down.
No.
What's that?
Hi. Kids are so adorable.
Oh. Let's hit you to get some pass. We got to get you ahead of us so we can play some catch. Then you can throw it back towards us.
Get down and
You
walk.
want to go for a catch? Just go up here by the tractor. I'll throw it to you. Here you go, Alex. Oh, sorry.
Well, you don't want to get cold, buddy.
Yeah! Uh-oh. Watch out for snakes. Can you get it? Boston. Te amo, niño. Cinco. Yeah, watch for snakes. What's up, Kaylee? Did Paul tell you how he tore it up yesterday? Oh, he made some money yesterday. Holy buckets. Paul sold 3 cars. It was a good day. Had a 5-car day. We haven't had one of those in a while. You end up going? Was it fun?
Stayed for about an hour.
Were they getting blasted? So it wasn't as rowdy as they talk about. What do you see? Yeah?
She had some interesting girlfriends.
Watch out for snakes.
They were just like,
Was Jill there?
yeah, Bill's there.
Or was Jill getting blasted?
I mean, I think she was drinking. Her boyfriend was drinking a bunch of Tennessee whiskey, though.
What?
Yeah.
Wow, this ball is so different than the work football. It's,
I know.
It's a lot heavier. Boston, go check for snakes with your stick. Wait for Boston to check for snakes. Oh yeah, there'll be a diamondback rattlesnake in there. Remember, Buster, keep it right there. There you go. And it doesn't stab you. All right, let's roll. You been playing Madden lately? Yeah? Who do you play with? You play on All Pro or Rookie? Boston, what's out there? Boston, is there snakes? You see any slithering serpents? Melissa, cuidado, muchos víboras. Oh, get on, let's go. We gotta go. Come on, we gotta go. Cuz, we gotta get to the blue trail. Go, Robbie, though. Yeah! Yeah!
How long do these last?
A couple hours.
You ready for the pass today?
Oh, yeah.
So Jackson, that's what we're gonna do.
The kids are going down for naps at about 2 o'clock, 2:30. You got it, Nino?
That's what we're gonna do.
You're going for the Panthers.
Yeah, rock it.
Forward, forward, forward.
Go forward.
Ha! Woo!
That's what we're gonna do the rest of the day. We're gonna drill and watch football all day.
Joe. The Panthers play at 6:30.
Huh? Do that time, bro, hands.
Yes!
Yeah, oh.
Oh.
These boys, they're both so good. He was quarterback on his team.
I get out of the car and Kaylee sees the GoPro and she goes,
I love it.
cameras are outdated now, man.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah!
Well, I mean, there's,
Yeah! Woo! Watch out, Boston! Oh! Oh!
Here, I'll trade you. No, I'll take it.
Hoot, 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 hoot. Oh, over your head. Boston, here comes the blue trail up here. See the azul? Is that mud?
Are you allowed to ride out here? Probably like a
Question authority, Paul.
Yeah.
I don't see anybody.
Yeah, I guess you could.
What are they gonna do? Come here and say, get out of here with your power wheel.
Right. No, I meant your, like, you took the water.
Oh, God, yes, that would be really bad. Your quad, like the Can-Am. Boston, turn around, come back this way. We gotta go to the blue trail. Yeah, if you took the 2 exits up. 2 exits up, but and then about 10 minutes east.
Oh, that's not bad at all. Shoot, have you guys been out here before?
Mm-mm.
You've never been out here?
Mm-mm. Oh, go through the mud! Yeah! Sentate, moça. Gotta go to the Azul Trail. Azul, sentate.
You want to get down and walk? Huh? You want to get down?
All right, Boston, turn right. Here's the blue trail. So you went over to Sonia. Is her house dope?
I mean, she's got like a little townhouse. It was nice.
Ooh, what are these tracks?
Sam Squanch.
Those from a deer?
Yeah.
Those little deer trackers?
Yeah, it was cool. She had her, like, I don't know, her friends were like, you know, probably like beat up, thrown away hard type of. Yeah, she had a couple. Did you think, Kaylee? Kind of thrown away hard type of. Yeah.
They're a little. What?
Yeah.
We'll make sure she doesn't see this video.
Oh, you have that on?
Well, heck yeah. That's how I record memories. What are you gonna do? Should I carry a still camera? What? Is this? That's why I bring this. Is this? What is this? Hormigas? Take your stick. Let's poke it.
What is it?
Hormigas. Oh, yeah. Rojos hormigas. Oh yeah, those are ready. It's busted. Where's your stick? Did you drop your stick? ¿Dónde? It's back on the path. Let's go look. Poor little fella. We'll be right back. We'll go get a stick. Boston, let's go get it. Robbie, though. Come on. Oh, it's right there. See it right on the path? You got it. All right, load it up. Make sure it doesn't fall off. All right, you hit me over here. You got to get over that tree, though. Oh, he's going long. Yes. We didn't. Oh, slipped the Jordans in the mud. You're stuck? All right, I'm coming. You're stuck like Doug. Boss says you can't go through there. There's grandes víboras. Yeah. There you go. Hit it. Go. Hey, your stick needs to go right here. There you go. There you go. There you go. Moza! There we go, Melissa. We got her it. We're dialed in. See, that ball's heavier. It says it's a college regulation ball. Yeah.
Really? Why
It's a college.
The NFL's just like, you know.
NFL's sprinkle a little agua on the Jordans. Ooh, looks like someone was digging in there. They're digging in that, huh? What are they digging for? Some grubs or something in there?
That's pigs.
That's a hog, isn't it?
Yeah, hogs are...
Well, I swear right back here I just saw a hog print in that mud back there.
That's why I was wondering if those prints were...
You don't want to get in a fight with a hog.
No, that's exactly what this is.
Yeah, they're digging for bugs in there. Oh, oh. Come on, Melissa.
That's from wild pigs running around. Now, if we find one, we'll spear him, and we'll have pork belly for dinner.
You could cook that too, couldn't you?
I'm not gonna slip it.
I don't know if I can clean one. I've never tried. You ready? Here it comes.
What do you see, Boston? What?
What do you say?
I don't know. Look at, they're all running up here. What is it? Come on, Melissa. You want sentate? Sentate. Isn't she adorable?
She is, yes.
Agua? Where? Donde?
How old is she?
Not almost 2.
Okay.
1.5.
I'm gonna say she's like 2.
Agua? No agua over there. No. Come on. Melissa. So Boston knows her name's Valley, but he calls her Hermosa,
Hermosa?
which is beautiful.
Aww.
Isn't that adorable?
Bonita.
What did you do that to?
Valley. He doesn't call her Valley, he calls her beautiful in Spanish.
That's adorable.
They've been digging down there too.
Big time. I hope we don't run across one out here.
Dude, if we do, we got our knife. You got your knife?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. We'll gorge them. Come on, Melissa. Mary wanted to come so bad, but she only slept like 4 hours last night.
She's up for the baby.
And she broke her foot. Her foot's
Did she
broke.
actually break it?
Dude, it is so bruised. It has to be. It has to be.
Oh.
The top part of the big toe.
Yeah, there's a
She was hanging blinds above their kid's bed, and her foot. She hit her arm. She fell forward, and her foot got caught in the front of the bed, so it bent the top of her foot. Yeah. Let's go. Look at Boston. It's from Fuego over there. Look at the Fuego on the Arbole. No. Only your quad. Let's go.
cool thing is about those is whatever animals were we got here, we're totally scared out. Like it here's coming.
Oh yeah.
Long way away. Yeah, that's totally. Look at that. They're rooting around.
Rooting around. Bato.
What is it?
Bato.
Yeah, we're doing that Duolingo, so we're getting better.
Cat is gato and bato
Yeah,
is
Bato.
duck. There you go. Moza, look. Agua. Boss, did you ride through the mud? Whenever he gets stuck. Yeah, I saw it. There you go. You gotta lead the way. Go. Amigo. Yeah, whenever he gets stuck, he goes, I'm stuck like Doug.
Has Mary gone with you out doing that?
Yeah.
But she likes it too, huh?
That's why she was still pregnant, though. She hasn't gone since she had a baby.
That thing is awesome. Did I show you pictures of that, Kaylee?
Oh, so fun. Yes. We GoPro it out there in the wild. We were out in the Everglades last weekend. Yeah, we went down to the Everglades all day Saturday. With Doug. There's a lot of wildlife down there. We're in a lot of water. It's like 3 feet of water. Doug chased one.
Yeah,
He
he
got off
tried
the
to
quad
jump
and
on
ran
the
through
one.
the water to try to get it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wanted to catch it. He go, I'm gonna get it and give me some alligator tail.
Oh, it's good.
Boston, you see any in there? What do you see? Is there a snake in there? Vibra? Look, you gotta get up here. Look.
What is there? I wish they had morels down here.
Oh, that'd be fun. We gotta go where it's more wet. I'll be around the other side. You guys like getting out in the woods? Yeah?
To go all
It'd be fun to build a tree for, wouldn't it? Get your daddy out here with a Ryobi and a set of nails.
You okay?
Let's go, Boston. Pull it. I cannot put my stick right here. You got it. Just hold on to it with your mano. There's Kaylee to the rescue there.
Oh, yeah.
She knows what a boy needs.
Oh, yeah.
Mosa! Oh, dude, look, they've been rooting around in here.